Hello all, welcome to this video where we will be seeing about the book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book has been a bestseller for over 20 years and has helped many people to achieve financial freedom. In this book, the author refers his own dad as poor dad because the poor dad always emphasizes on going to school and getting a job security. And the author refers his friend Mike's dad as rich dad because to the rich dad, acquiring assets is everything. So let's get started. Rich don't work for money. Poor and middle class work for money while the rich have money work for them. Poor and middle class people go to a job. Simply they are trading their time and labor to get some money. It may limit their earning potential. What if they do if they lose their jobs? This is how poor and middle class people work for money. Instead, he encourages the people to focus more on acquiring assets such as rental properties, stocks, or businesses. Those assets are some passive income streams as well as they will grow in value over time. Next, the importance of financial literacy. Schools and parents often fails to teach what is money, what is the importance of it, and how it works. So this leads to lack of financial knowledge and skills. So everyone should learn how to invest and how to build passive income streams and how to acquire assets that will appreciate over time. Consider there is a person who is earning 25,000 per month and he can able to save 10,000 per month, while there is another person who is earning 40,000 per month and he can save only 5,000 per month. At the end of the first year, the first person is having 1,20,000. At the same time, the other person will have only 60,000. So the first person is doing better in keeping money. So it is not how much money you make, it's about how much money you keep. For this, you need financial literacy. So the third lesson is mind your own business. Minding your own business means taking responsibility for your financial future and not relying on others to manage your money. So you should be responsible for your financial decisions. For example, just because your friend is investing in some fund, you don't need to necessarily invest in that fund. So you should be responsible for your financial decisions. Next lesson is the rich invent the money. The wealthy don't wait for money to come to them. They actively create it by leveraging their skills, resources, and knowledge to build passive income streams. So one should learn and then earn. By adopting the mindset of inventing the money, one can control their financial future and can attain financial freedom. The next lesson is power of corporations. People are going to work, they earn, they pay tax, and then they spend what is left out. But the corporations earn money, spend, and then pay tax only for what is left out. The next lesson is work for knowledge, don't work for money. Take on jobs or roles that provide opportunities to learn new skills, even if they don't necessarily pay well in the short term. The author suggests that by doing this, one can earn knowledge and experience to build their own businesses. The next lesson is overcoming obstacles. He is mentioning the 5 main reasons for less cash flow are fear, cynicism, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance. So, how to overcome these obstacles? First, how to overcome fear. No one likes to lose money. The one who have not lose his money by investing is the one who have not started. The best way to overcome this fear is to start investing early and allow the power of compounding work for you. There is always a vast difference between the person who start investing at age 20 versus age 30. How to overcome cynicism. Doubt and cynicism keeps most people poor. Cynics criticize, winners analyze. So one should analyze and start investing early to get financial freedom. How to overcome laziness. The most common forms of laziness is busy. Too busy to take care of your wealth or health. So what's the cure? A little bit greed. I can't afford it. Causes sadness, helplessness, and depression. How can I afford it? Opens up many possibilities, excitement, and dreams. How to overcome bad habits. To be successful, one should develop good, successful habits. The poor dad always paid everyone else first, and then him last. Rarely he had any left over, but the rich dad always paid him first. So you should save some amount before you start spending. How to overcome arrogance. Many people use arrogance to hide their own ignorance. One should stop this by educating himself. So I hope you got some insights from these lessons. In our next video, we will see how to get started with these insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.